If you are wondering how long the battery lasts on iPhone 17e, then let me quickly answer the question for you. So if you charge the battery all the way to 100%, you should be able to use the phone for approximately 15 hours and 30 minutes. This is the average daily usage. I mean, this is of course approximate. On a daily basis, you should be able to get 15.5 hours. Of course, if you use the whole battery just for calling, you will get more. For example, if you consider just calling, then you should be able to make the battery last for 29 hours and approximately 15 minutes. If you just want to browse the internet, then the battery is going to last for 14 hours and 30 minutes. If you want to watch videos, the battery should last approximately 19 hours. And if you want to play games, the battery is going to last for more or less 9 hours and 25 minutes. These are rough estimates, and of course, in reality, these times are probably different for many people. And of course, the battery is going to last less or more depending on what you do with your phone and how often you use it. If you play games all the time, then of course the battery is going to last less. And if you use lots of apps, or if you use draining apps, then of course they are going to drain your battery quickly, as it suggests, of course. But if we consider a typical daily usage, day-to-day usage, on average, the battery should last for 15 hours and 30 minutes. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.